everyone. I know you all know me, Angela, who is appointed for WHS Manager for YCook. My presentation today is about WHSMS. It's important for business to have WHSMS software system to ensure operational process will run smoothly but it has many components, so as required by our boss Roger, I have to present it physically to you and send all information with the PowerPoint to your business email. Hope you guys can improve your knowledge after my presentation. There are 6 components regarding WHSMS. The first important component is WHS staff training. I have developed staff training plan and will say it to you guys on each topic when we do training on it. WSS training will cover all the WHSMS with several topics. Why we need training and what's the benefits of it. Of course, training is important for any business because through training it reduces the risk by providing information to employees to perform their tasks safely without the risk. Also it demonstrates staff training, responsibility and duty within business. And another benefit of training is increase productivity for business. Of course, when you work safely and understand your right and responsibility, your process will run smoothly and effective, and it's enhance productivity for business. Next, the important component is WHS policy and procedure. I have designed a draft for WHS policy and procedure which cover essential topic topic to ensure your work will effective and safe, from such as handling chemical emergency evacuation, PPE, and shifting and lifting objects. It will be placed on our business on 15th of May. It includes essential guide and documented procedure to ensure you guys can perform tasks safely. And regarding work health and safety, so the benefit of is to reduce the risk and reduce the likelihood of an injury occurring in our workplace by ensuring that staff will perform the task safely and when carrying out the tasks involved in their job. As an important component is reporting. In our workplace, there are many times you need to report to me and other relevant people. It's important for you to report when there is accident occurs or when there is emergency circumstances happening in workplace. So some major report in our business include WHS training induction, register of injury and accident report, faulty equipment report, and emergency evacuation report. A reporting helps me and upper level manager obtain information, key detail, and find out the root cause of work health and safety issue immediately, and also help me to find out the quickly solution for issue. But how to do reporting? I know some of you don't know about that, so I'm here to tell you all reporting must be electrical report, not in handwritten report, to avoid the risk of losing report in the future. Also, this way very effective, not consuming, and very environmental friendly for business. Next, I will talk about the importance of using checklists. Checklist is a tool used to encourage WHS policy and health organization comply with safety regulation. There are some important checklists in our business, such as work health inspection checklist, WHS induction checklist, hazard identify checklist, verification checklist, equipment checklist, and risk assessment checklist. Conducting a regular inspection by doing a checklist is a way to prevent work-related injury and accident. And in our organization, I am happy to tell you that on checklist, you don't need to waste of time on paper-based method. On checklist can be done by doing audits with the software system and mobile app. This way is very effective, not time consuming, and easy to keep track. And next part is risk assessment. Risk assessment is a very important component in our business. Every organization needs risk assessment, especially hospitality business, because you in high risk of getting risk and injury compared to other industry. Conducting a risk assessment will help you to identify hazards, identify who may be at risk, and minimizing the level of risk or remove the hazard by evaluating the likelihood of risk, the severity of harm, and taking action on it. Overall, risk assessment contributes to create and maintain a healthy work environment. But when we need to carry out a risk assessment, I'm here to tell you guys, you need to carry out a risk assessment before doing a particular task, or carry out it following incident or accident happened in workplace. And also, you can carry out a risk assessment when the current risk assessment is no longer valid in any case. So you need to have significant change in other risk assessment. Once the risk is evaluated, we need the risk control to keep our organization safe and free from serious accident and incident. So I have already prepared 6 major control measures in workplace. This is an international measures we can apply to all over the world and in any business. First is elimination. It means design or reorganize to eliminate the hazards. Next is substitution. Substitute the hazard with something safer, and isolating the hazard from people using engineering controls, which include mechanical device or process to reduce the hazards, and using administrative control such as work methods or procedure to minimize the exposure of hazards. And finally, using PPE. That's the all information I want to give you guys regarding to WHSMS. I have if you guys have a feedback or comment on my presentation, I love to hear from you guys because I love to learn from my mistake. Thanks for listening.